Yes, my peeps, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. Recipe for today, I grab some French fried chicken back, otherwise some Barbie fried chicken back. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients where me take prepare my recipe. First on the list, you have some chicken back there. Remember, I grab some French fried chicken back and some Barbie fried chicken back. We have a Maggi chicken here. We have some baking powder. We have an all-purpose, also we have some egg powder. And these are going to make the sauce now, remember. So I make the sauce for the Barbie fried chicken back. So these are how you're going to use in my sauce, right? Yeah. So we have some coconut here, which we have some carrot, we have some ripe plantain, hot pepper, ginger, bell pepper, garlic, Irish, onion, scallion, thyme. We have you can see it, we have a lettuce here. We have some dry gungo with some pimento seed, garlic and ginger. We have some star fruit here with carrot. So remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. These are my ingredients we're going to use in my recipe. Remember, French fried chicken back and some Barbie fried chicken back. Please watch the video to the end. Like, share. So starting to clean my chicken back now. I'm going to dig out, clean off all the waste of it. Alright? Remember, French fried chicken back and some Barbie fried chicken back. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Recipe are going nice, man. Delicious. Eatable. It's going nice like spice. Alright, so I'm going to add some seasoning. So throw the seasoning here, choice, right? Put the amount of seasoning you want to put on it, because some people like flavor and spicy. So throw the seasoning here, choice, right? So I'm going to add some all-purpose and chicken, and I'll add some egg powder to it. Remember, French fried chicken back. Jamaican cook. Here, people can see there. Add some pepper, garlic, and pimento seed. So now I'm going to massage the chicken back now, right? Remember, Barbie frying. So now I'm going to massage the chicken back now. Rub in the season. Yeah, man. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, like and share. Back a lot nice, man. Barbie fry. Yeah, man. Recipe is delicious, no? Yeah, man. Mustard, like when I mustard the gal first done. Yeah, man. Season a bit. Ruby in season, like. Yeah, man. Delicious. Eat it. Yeah, so the chicken back, you go and soak for about 3 hours. Mash up the coconut now. Remember, dry bone coconut. So when you start by oxing coconut, so you put the towel, get the knife and start ox the coconut. You can see, remove the coconut from the ox. So use the towel to prevent that knife don't bore and niggle, so we have it and dig out the coconut, right? So protect the hand niggle. I'll add some water to it now, right? Get some water and stink. Yeah. Stink the peas, so stink the gungo peas, right? Yeah. So remove all trash from the coconut, so this I'm going to grate my coconut now, right? Yeah. You can use a blender if you want, but me like it grater, because my grandfather grater, I'm seeing grater. So you get the natural juice and the milk when you grate it. But some people don't have time for grater and use the blender, but me don't like the blender. Great. Juice in my coconut now, right? Yeah. You can see. I'm going to remove the trash from the juice. I'm going to squeeze it. All of the richness and the niceness. Alright, peeps in me. Carrot and star fruit and ginger watch clean and pretty, so I go grate right now and juice it. I say, yeah money, some people use blender, that the grater I use. I got the old fashioned way. Some me want my things greater, more nice and delicious. You get the right delicious juice when you grate it, but you can blend it, you know. But I don't really like blend. Greater me, I greater my own. So remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. This juice are good nice, my recipe are delicious. Greater the star fruit, so we say this are nice and delicious. Yeah man. Yeah my peeps, see? Add some sugar to my juice, remember this too, yeah man, so juice are nice, you know. You don't know, me don't want it too sweet, so some people like it sweet, but we don't like it sweet, so stir it well. Yeah, man, that juice are nice. Remember, carrot and star fruit, ginger, yeah, man, recipe. Delicious, it's like a drinkable, tasteable, I tell you, star. Mouth a run water. That one boil for 7 minutes. So let's spice it up when it don't boil now. I want the boil go down. Like when it go down to the custard, right? Jamaican cooking it down, but that one coconut boil right down to the custard. Now I'll add the coconut trash to the pot. If I see my grandfather them thing here, see it? Add some coconut trash to the pot, right? Yeah man, go and boil, go down. The custard, that's a nice, delicious. Now I'll add some pepper, scallion, thyme and the sweet pepper belly into the rice. Next step, going to add the salt to it. I'm going to add some Maggi all purpose. It's flavor the rice nice and delicious. Remember, it's a gungo rice, so delicious. You know? Stir it well. So I want him boil right down to custard, lock him back now, right? Yeah. Yeah, this tastes delicious. Yeah, my peeps, see custard there. Yeah, this me I talk about. My grandfather, something cook rice and peas. See, spring one oil, some don't want the butter, so I'm going to remove back the scallion and the thyme from the pot. Yeah. It's alright. Recipe I got delicious, man. Gungo rice, nice. So we can go and boil on some more, right? So we'll add 2 pounds of rice, right? 2 pounds of brown rice. Yes, to the custard they see it. I'll no butter to it now, just boil right down to custard. So now I add the rice to it. Remember, 2 pounds of rice I add to it. Stir it well. So you add the water over the rice, about less than an inch. Remember. Recipe are nice and delicious. Like and share. Yes, my peeps, I have to stir the rice that's not burn and each up at the bottom and burn. So I have to stir it. Yeah. I heal up stir my rice and peas now. Whereas my gungo rice I have to stir it because I don't want it burn, I just want it steam down or right down. Yeah, my peeps, see? So I go on here. Yeah, man. Like stir my rice and peas, no nobody else, but me like stir it because I don't want it burn. I want it shelly when it cook, I don't want it burn. Shelly like shelly, you know? Gungo rice. Yeah, my peeps, see gungo rice, yeah? Yeah, my peeps, look at the gungo rice, look. I'm gonna preview of the gungo rice, update on the gungo rice. Alright. I'm gonna send him to steam now. So you're going to turn on the fire. Right? Yeah, turn on the fire. Okay, see?
Yeah, man, the rice are steam right out, man. Gungo rice are steam right out. Alright, so I give it 5 more minutes of steaming. You go and steam right way, huh? Yeah, man, cover him back down now. Alright, gungo rice, that. Yeah, man, see, you know, steam down and shell, you know. Remember Jamaican cooking, you know, man. Gungo rice are delicious and eatable. So you shell and stay. So your steam make it come right out like this and look like this. You can see pepper there, see, you can see ginger. Remember the ginger is like flavor of the rice. You know? So if the rice moldy, ginger take away the taste from it. You get a different flavor. Yeah, these are some chicken back pot, right? So we're going to fry it out. So me see my grandfather cook chicken back, you know, so you don't know. Back in the days, old school cooking, you know? Yeah, man. The recipe are nice, man. Remember to have some Barbie fried chicken back, you know, with French fried chicken back, but you remember? You remember that chicken back there? Look on it good. That's how they tell you. Remember to have some French fried chicken back, you know, Barbie fried, said speed, you know, man. I gotta fry out some fat at the same time, you know? Chicken back and yamable. Some flour, add some flour. Add some caramel. Add more caramel to it. Caramel make the chicken crispy. I'm going to add some Maggi, all purpose to it. I'm going to add some egg powder also. I'm going to add some baking powder. Baking powder also too. Yeah, you can see using flour, the French fry, the chicken back. Yeah, some spice of it. But Jamaican cooking, so I'm shake it up like this, get it to combine together. Yeah, man, recipe is nice. You see, everything coming out of one another. Alright, that. That. Alright, that. Yeah, man, chicken back butter here. Yo, I'm saying I'm gonna eat them chicken back butter here right now, brother. Yeah, tell us that, you know, I'm going to fry some boy, though. The recipe I go bad, man. Remember me telling about that recipe and thing. I joke me I tell you, no? French fried chicken back. I welcome to the club, you know, man. See that? French fried chicken back with Barbie fried chicken back. Said Spain. The recipe I go nice, yeah, man. The chicken back here go and fry crispy, because we don't have them chicken back here. Them chicken back here. Yo, man, them crisps up. Yo, man, tell the star. Yeah, man. Same good old chicken back here, but now say a dog food. I'm going to, yo, you got so much on this. You got so this are delicious. I got add some pepper, garlic, and ginger to my oil. My French fried chicken back, man. And some Barbie fry. Said speed, you know? Yeah, so I'll show you when we make the Barbie fry, but we got the French fry one. I'm soon show you up on it when we make the Barbie fry. Alright, people, see? Yeah, alright. We're going to make a steam fry now. About 5 minutes, right? Alright. These look like when I steam fried, right? I'm going to turn them now. So then crispy and pretty, eatable, delicious. Remember Jamaican cooking it, remember that, you know. So please to like and share. The recipe I got nice, man. Barbie fried chicken back. Otherwise French fried chicken back. So 2 in 1. Can see? Yeah, my people, so them crispy. Yeah, man, I can't do it away they see it. So these are the finishing product. I'm going to remove them from the oil now. Put them up here. Yeah, my peeps, see chicken back in there. Yeah, man, French fried chicken back that you see. So I'm gonna make some Barbie fry sauce now. Right? So I'm gonna add some butter to the pot. Rub it like this. Go and melt them. So I'm gonna make some Barbie. I'm gonna make some Barbie fry sauce. Chicken back Barbie fry sauce. I'm making now. Remember, chicken back Barbie fry sauce. So I have some vegetable here. Some carrot, Irish onion, bell pepper, pimento seed, and some ginger, garlic, and piece of thyme. So I'm going to add it. Let that run. Go down for about 5 minutes. Pan fry for about 5 minutes. Add a little Maggi all-purpose to it. Stir it well. Recipe I got delicious, man. Yeah, man. So I go on. Add it in. Add some honey to it. Honey flavor it nice. I have some pine sauce. Add peppery. But Jamaican cooking is a Barbie fry. It's a Barbie fry gravy that nice, man. And a splash of vinegar. Also, chicken back spice add to it. Let us flavor it and give the color. Right? Add a little water to it. Stir well. It's a recipe a nice, man. So make the vegetable go and boil right down till them get soft. My piece you can see, add some ketchup to it now. Add some rest of these to it now. Remember, make your Irish them cook and thing, yeah? Yeah, make them cook first. So these, yeah. So then go and cook right out and thing. Yeah, my peeps, yeah, you can see sauce like, yeah, man. So Barbie fry sauce now. See? Make the Irish them cook, make the carrot them cook right out. Get the point? You do it how you like it, but I do it my way still. Make my one them cook right out. Yeah, man, it's a recipe I got nice, man. French fried chicken back there. And see Barbie fry sauce. Yes, my peeps, see finishing product, yeah. Yeah, man, everything boiled and cook and ready now, you know? Yes, I'm cook out my one right out. Yes, my peeps, see finishing product, yeah. And see chicken back there. And I'll add some, got the Barbie fry them.
remember, Barbie fry, right? And see the French fried chicken back there. And this is the Barbie fry. Alright my peeps, you can see French fried chicken back there. And see Barbie fry over here. See, this is the way I prepare my French fried chicken back. This is my Barbie fry. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Eatable. Yeah my peeps, see Barbie fry sauce here. Yeah man, same sauce as it there. Irish cook out everything, cook and soft and carrot and nice, eatable, delicious. So food there, delicious one. Recipe and nice. Yeah my peeps, dinner time. You can see French fried chicken back, you can see Barbie fried chicken back, you can see lettuce, plantain, and see kungu rice there. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know.